Hey guys, welcome to Bitwala Candles. My name is Arina and I'm here to provide you with the latest crypto news and market price updates. Today we're gonna talk about Greyscale Investments adding $186 million worth of Bitcoin to their trust. Bitcoin price closed above 10K for over 60 days in a row for the first time in history. And as always, we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin and Ether charts. Alright you guys, let's start with the Greyscale adding more Bitcoin to its reserves. Digital asset management and investment company Greyscale has increased its reserves by 17,100 Bitcoin, which is worth about $186 million. Their Bitcoin trust, which was created back in 2013, now amounts to nearly $4.7 billion, which is about 2.5% of the amount of Bitcoin in circulation. Next up, big news, Bitcoin has closed above 10K price for over 60 days in a row. This has never happened before in the history of Bitcoin. Crypto analyst Lark David posted in his tweet, "Any dips under 10K were aggressively bought, halving effect started to be felt." Reminding you that the last halving happened in May this year, and historically each time the Bitcoin price has been dramatically increased after it takes place. Within a year after the first halving, Bitcoin rose over 90 times from the $10 price to a peak of about $1,180. For the second halving, Bitcoin went as high as $2,800 from around $600. And the third halving brought Bitcoin to $20,000 in December 2017, 1 year after the event. So it is not surprising that many analysts predict massive gains for Bitcoin in the year to come. But let's not go too much ahead of ourselves and take a look at what's going on with the Bitcoin price right now. Bitcoin price remains trading above the 20-day moving average, which keeps it in the green zone. Today, Bitcoin got rejected by this resistance line and is now in a tight spot between support and resistance, which means that a soon-to-come breakout is imminent. Let's consider both scenarios. Breaking to the upside would mean reaching a 61.8% on Fibonacci retracement, but usually Bitcoin tends to trade within this golden pocket between 62 and 65%. We just saw it recently happening right here. There's also a 50-day moving average right at this level, $11,100. Breaking to the downside might lead Bitcoin right to the support level at $10,500, which aligns nicely with the 100-day moving average. Now let's take a quick look at the Ether chart. Ether is currently trading at $350 region, and a couple of indicators show that we might see a soon-to-come increase in price. MACD indicator just flipped to the green side. However, we saw it happening before, but for a very short period of time. Lucid Star is also very close to the price action. This is usually the time when it switches sides and becomes a support instead of being a resistance. Unlike Bitcoin, Ether still trades below the 20-day moving average. Breaking above it sets the target at $375. But as we saw today, the Ether got rejected here again, so the closest support is at 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is at $340. And this is what we have for you today. Please subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let us know in the comments whether you are bullish or bearish on the Bitcoin in the immediate short-term future. What do you think about the price development after the halving? Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it interesting and informative. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week.